Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that x to the power of 5, that is about x to the power of 3 and x squared. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have 1 minus 2x to the power of 3. Next, because we have x to the power of 3, so I will put number 1 go to the left, and we divide both sides by negative number 2, and now we have like this. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides for this one. So about this one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 3x squared. Next, because we don't have negative number 2 and number 3, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 6, and now we have u over negative number 3. Next, the square root we change by u. X to the power of 3 we change by this one. S squared dx we change by this one. So u divided by u, we simplify. Negative number 2, negative number 3, we have positive number 6. So we just have only u squared minus number 1. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, that is about u, and I will put about c, because we just apply the formula in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.